Okay, we have a new spike configuration here. It's got an angle on it, stamped in the end of it. What that does is the tip of the angle migrates away as you pound it in, and the tip, or the head of the nail, goes into the brick and pushes the edging tight to the brick. The name of this is Edgetite spikes. Gotta be careful when you get close to the brick. Use a hammer with a smaller head, like a framing hammer. You don't need to use a big 3-pound sledge. I recommend a framing hammer. Be careful when it gets close to the brick. Yeah, it's nice and tight. Again, the angle goes away from the field of work of the brick. Get her started. Very close there. That's something here with a piece of paper. Get that paper tight. That's how tight that spike gets there. You guys saw how we pinned that paper to the brick with the edging using an Edgetite spike. Some of the other benefits that we've found are as it goes in and it's at that angle, it's going to resist heaving due to freeze and thaw because it's at that angle. It won't be able to just squirt straight up. We're breaking into some existing work here. This work was done, and now it's endured 3 winters. And this is some of the first Edgetite spikes used. And as you can see, this edge restraint is tight to the brick, and the edging is down on the base where it belongs. You don't have it riding up above the top of the brick. Coincidentally, there was another contractor that did a piece of work over here at the exact same time. His edge restraint is away from the brick, and it's up flush, and you can see it. You're not supposed to see edge restraint. It doesn't necessarily function that way. It's not supposed to be visible. And in time, it gets up above the brick, becomes a trip hazard. People pull mulch up against it, and it looks like a mess. But it was nice to run into. This is our first opportunity to take a look at it after it's been in the ground for a while.